Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has just ran the second fastest 100-meter time by a woman. Jamaican sprint star Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce became the second fastest woman in history today, clocking a world-leading 10.63 seconds for the 100-meter at the Olympic Destiny meeting in Kingston. The 34-year-old reigning and two-time Olympic 100-meter champion smashed the field at the National Stadium to finish several meters ahead of her closest rival. Only the late U.S. sprinting star Florence Griffith Gaynor, who holds the world record at 10.49 seconds, has run faster. Fraser-Pryce's time smashes the previous 2021 world-leading time of 10.72 set by Sha'Carri Richardson in the United States in March. Fraser-Pryce has shared the Jamaica national record with Elaine Thompson-Herah at 10.70 seconds, and she had a season best of 10.84 seconds coming into the meet. Organized by the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Jamaica Athletic Administrative Association. After cutting off to a bullet-like start, Fraser-Pryce ran away from the field to win by a massive margin, with Natasha Morrison a distant second in 10.95 seconds and Kashika Cameron third in 11.39. Fraser-Pryce, the 2008 and 2012 Olympic 100-meter champion, was running her fourth 100-meter for the season and was surprised by her time at the small gathering at the stadium. "Honestly, no, I wasn't coming out here to run that fast," she said. "Thank God that I finished healthy." She said she was able to relax and run as there was no pressure, just wanted to get one more race in before the national trials. Fraser-Pryce did hint, however, that she can run faster with the Olympics approaching. "If I am able to run 10.6 now, and trials is some time away this year, I just wanted to break the 10.7 barrier, so now I can focus on making the team to Olympics," she said. Fraser-Pryce, who passed Americans Marion Jones 10.65 and Carmelita 10.64 on the all-time list, said Saturday's race should be taken in context. "It's one part of the process," she said. "I can't get too complacent as I still have to make the national team at the national trials. Only the top 3 finishers in the event at the Jamaica National Championships, set for June 24 to 27th, will be selected to run the 100 meters at the Tokyo Olympics, set for July." Now, Fraser-Pryce, who already has 2 Olympic gold medals in the 100-meter from 2008 and 2012, appears to be the favorite. The 34-year-old, who came back from having a baby to win the 2019 World Championship, would be the oldest woman to win an individual Olympic sprint title and the first woman ever to win 3 Olympic gold in a single track and field discipline. Jetta congratulated Fraser-Pryce on her performance via Twitter. "I just woke up to some amazing news. Shelly-Ann has done it again. I give credit when it's due. You have come back from having a child and showed the world how talented and driven you are. You are officially the fastest woman alive. Keep motivating those young queens."
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, as expected, out quickly. Natasha Morrison trying to chase Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce away and clear. Look at that! 10.644 for Shelly.